Hey guys, welcome back to another episode. In this video, I'm gonna let you know the ways to connect PayPal to steamio.com. Steam.io. In order to connect PayPal to Steam.io, you have to follow the steps. First thing, go and log in into your PayPal account, and from the home page, go and press on the profile icon. Then a drop down menu appears. From there, go and press on settings. As you press the settings button, you'll be taken to the settings and payments gateway. Here, you have to go and select gateway or payment gateway from the left hand side bar. As you do that, you need to select what you actually want to connect. So in our case, we're going with PayPal, so click on connect next to PayPal. Moving on, what next you have to do is you'll be taken to this field where you need to go ahead and press on the profile icon. First of all, go to account settings under it and then click on account access next to it. When you select account access, in the right hand side bar you can see IP access and all that, so click on update. When you click on update, now you have to go ahead and manage your IP credential. So for that, you have to go ahead and press on manage IP address and then make changes with it. As soon as you do that, you need to go ahead and request the API credential. So for that, you need to request API signature. So you have to press that and click on agree and submit. Once you've done that, you'll be able to see your API username as well as API password and then a signature. So if you're sure about it, then click on the done button and continue to move on with the next procedure. Now you need to connect your PayPal account to your system to enter the username, password and then a signature. Click the save button, and with that you've successfully connected PayPal to system.io. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.